Have you ever wondered what will happen when AI becomes better at SEO than humans? Well, it just did. ChatGPT5 isn't just another language model, it's a full-blown SEO machine that can understand, create, and optimize content faster and smarter than any marketer on Earth. If you think SEO is the same game it was last year, buckle up, because ChatGPT5 is rewriting the rules. Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen AI Tools, the channel where we break down how the newest AI tech is changing the world, one tool, one breakthrough at a time. And today, we're diving deep into how OpenAI's ChatGPT5 is about to revolutionize SEO forever. We're talking smarter keyword research, AI-driven content clusters, one-click optimization, and tools that can literally see and reason about your website's content. Let's jump right in. Let's be honest, SEO has always been a grind. You spend hours researching keywords, crafting content, optimizing meta tags, and then waiting weeks to see results, only to find out that Google changed the algorithm again. Most people want the traffic, the visibility, the sales, but they don't have the time or skills to pull it off. But now, that's exactly what ChatGPT5 is built to solve. Because this isn't just about automating tasks, it's about redefining what's possible in SEO using AI that understands intent, context, and strategy just like a human, and in some cases, even better. Let's break down exactly how ChatGPT5 is changing SEO as we know it, step by step. For years, keyword research meant spreadsheets, tools, and guesswork. You'd dig through SEMrush or Ahrefs comparing difficulty scores, CPCs, and search volumes, trying to guess what your audience might be searching for. ChatGPT5 changes that, because now, it doesn't just analyze keywords. It understands user intent. Let me explain. Instead of typing best wireless earbuds, a user might search, which wireless earbuds have the longest battery life for gym workouts? That's not just a keyword, it's intent-rich context. ChatGPT5 can read thousands of these long-tail variations, understand what people mean, not just what they type, and then generate keyword clusters around real human questions. It doesn't just give you a list. It gives you a map. Primary intent. Buying, learning, comparing. Related terms. Battery life, comfort, durability. Semantic variations. Best earbuds for runners, gym earphones, sweat-proof earbuds. You can literally ask it, generate 50 keyword clusters for a website about sustainable fashion that target high purchase intent users. And in seconds, ChatGPT5 delivers a complete strategy, grouped by funnel stage, search volume, and difficulty. All formatted for tools like Notion, Airtable, or Google Sheets. That's weeks of manual work done in under a minute. Here's where it gets even crazier. SEO isn't just about keywords, it's about building authority. ChatGPT5 can now plan full content ecosystems, not just blog posts, but interconnected articles, pillar pages, and supporting content, all designed to tell Google, this site knows its stuff. Example, you're building a website on smart home automation. You ask ChatGPT5, create a 3-month content calendar that builds topical authority for smart home beginners. Within seconds, it gives you 12 blog posts, arranged by theme interlinking strategy for SEO juice titles, optimized for CTR meta descriptions, and YouTube video pairings, social media snippets for repurposing. And if you connect it with tools like Notion AI or Durable.co, it can automate publishing workflows, schedule posts, and even design visuals. You're no longer guessing what to post next. You're following an AI-generated growth blueprint. And here's the beauty. ChatGPT5 now integrates natively with platforms like Google Docs, Surfer SEO, and Jasper, meaning it can read your live documents and optimize them in real time. Here's where it truly feels like science fiction. Imagine you paste your blog post into ChatGPT5 and ask, optimize this article for EEAT and Google's helpful content update. It will reanalyze your headings, readability, tone, and structure, suggest schema markup, highlight, duplicate, or thin content, recommend missing subtopics, Google rewards, and even simulate how search crawlers interpret your text. Essentially, ChatGPT5 becomes your personal SEO editor. And thanks to multimodal reasoning, it can now process images, videos, and site screenshots, so you can literally upload your web page and say, what's stopping this page from ranking number 1? And it'll tell you, your internal linking is weak here. Your alt text doesn't describe the image accurately. Your meta title is truncating in search results. That's something no SEO tool has ever done before. Let's talk competition. Traditionally, competitor research meant copying keywords, checking backlinks, and hoping to outrank others. ChatGPT5 flips that script. Now it can crawl competitors, summarize their content strategies, and highlight gaps you can fill instantly. You could literally upload your top 5 competitor URLs and ask, compare these sites and find untapped SEO opportunities for a new website in the same niche. And ChatGPT5 responds with, Competitor A ranks high on product comparisons, but lacks how-to guides. Competitor B has backlinks but outdated visuals. Competitor C misses buyer intent keywords, then it generates a custom action plan, content topics, backlink outreach suggestions, and authority-building moves. Think of it like having a digital SEO war room running 24/7, analyzing everything your competitors do, automatically. Here's where things get futuristic. ChatGPT5 introduces something SEO has never had before, personalized ranking prediction, because now it understands how users behave. Example, 2 people search best laptops for students. One wants budget options, the other wants premium MacBooks. Traditional SEO tools can't tell the difference, but ChatGPT5 can. It analyzes search context, user behavior, and query intent, then helps you tailor content for micro-audiences. It's like writing a single article that dynamically appeals to multiple user intents, because AI now sees what your readers truly want. So if you're building SEO content today, this means you can write smarter, more targeted human-like articles that Google actually rewards. And we're just scratching the surface. ChatGPT5's multimodal capabilities mean it can handle not just text, but voice, images, and videos. That means it can optimize your content for voice search and visual results, the 2 fastest growing areas in SEO. Imagine saying, "Hey, ChatGPT, optimize my YouTube title and description so it ranks in both Google search and YouTube search." It'll analyze keyword overlaps, engagement signals, and even thumbnail clarity. Or, review my e-commerce product photos and tell me what alt text helps rank for Google Images. It'll literally describe the image, extract key features, and craft perfect SEO-optimized alt text. ChatGPT5 basically merges content creation, technical SEO, and branding into one intelligent assistant. Here's where things get practical, because combining ChatGPT5 with the right tools turns you into an SEO powerhouse. Let's go through a few. SkillLeap AI. This tool helps you learn and apply SEO strategies fast. Pair it with ChatGPT5 prompts like, teach me advanced SEO linking in 10 minutes. ChatGPT5 explains. SkillLeap gives you mini lessons and exercises. Boom. Instant upskilling. Notion AI. Perfect for planning. ChatGPT5 generates SEO calendars, and Notion AI organizes them visually with publishing timelines, interlinking maps, and content checklists. Gumroad. If you're monetizing your SEO-driven traffic, this is your go-to. Use ChatGPT5 to create optimized product pages and Gumroad to sell ebooks, guides, or digital courses directly. Durable.co. The fastest way to create SEO-friendly landing pages powered by AI. You can have ChatGPT5 write copy, then Durable builds the actual site, within minutes. When you connect these together, you basically have an AI-driven SEO ecosystem, strategy, execution, and monetization, all automated. Now, here's something important. With all this power, we also need responsibility. AI-generated content is fast, but not all AI content is good. ChatGPT5 doesn't just copy, it understands, but Google's guidelines still reward original, experience-based content. So the secret isn't to let ChatGPT5 do everything, it's to collaborate with it. Use it as your strategist, editor, and analyst, but add your voice, your expertise, your EEAT, experience expertise. Authoritativeness, trustworthiness, that's what turns AI-powered SEO into something unbeatable. So, if you want to be ahead of the SEO curve before everyone else realizes what's coming, start experimenting with ChatGPT5 today. And if you want a shortcut, I've listed my favorite SEO prompt templates, AI tools, and a free SEO toolkit in the description below. You'll find direct links to ChatGPT5, SkillLeap, Notion AI, Gumroad, and Durable. Everything you need to start dominating search in 2025. And if you learned something new today, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more deep dives like this one, and comment below. Which SEO task do you wish AI could fully automate? I might feature your comment in the next video. Thanks for watching, my friends. We're living through a massive shift, one where AI isn't replacing marketers, it's empowering them to work 10x smarter. And ChatGPT5, it's just the beginning. Next week, we're diving into something even more exciting: how AI browsers are transforming search itself. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. This is George from NextGen AI Tools signing off. And remember, don't chase the algorithm. Train the AI that understands it.